Marky, got any ethanol?
No.
I've had a fucking 100 litres charged.
What, someone nicked
Bro,
it?
I swear to God, I've come here, put 30 litres in, gonna mix my fuel.
Well, someone nicked it?
Yeah, gone down and signed on, come back gone.
To be fair, I would have probably nicked something.
Bro.
Get your muff wash.
We've had 100 litres stolen, straight from the run what you brung bit.
What, are you joking?
Any ethanol for sale? Right, we got a bit of problem because we came here with nearly a full fucking tank of fuel. So we've put in 15-20 litres of ethanol and we're hoping to be somewhere near E50. Oh, we're at E55. Yes, Alfie on a batty shot. My boy. Imagine if Alfie did OnlyFans. He'd lose money.
I'm Polish.
Whereabouts in Poland are you from?
Poland.
Had a great time over in England though.
Yeah, it's good here, I've been here 3 weeks.
You know on YouTube, you know what time it is, bro, we're back.
The Unity does not have a fun to be punching the camera.
Time for fuel! Alfonso,
Hello, mate.
we need to fucking get some fuel in her.
Hey up!
They put us on this dusty shit, haven't they?
Why?
They're saying, I don't know, they just put us here, haven't they?
Oh, we only pulled in because he snapped his diff, we were just laughing.
What did it run?
Wow, some orange fucking
it's
focus there, isn't there? Bloody hell. Welcome to Ford Fest. We love orange.
Mr. Exclusive coming over saying, oh, you need the 6 science bullshit. Fuck off. Eco fuel's the way, man. Vodka juice. Make car go faster. We're not fucking about. 96% this bad boy. You run that fucking 6 science stuff in your fucking 190, yeah? You know, you can tell we're in car show season because there's drum and bass on.
Some transporter or caravan's got it decked out.
Dawn's in the fuel tank now. Show the bike, sexy bike that.
Green wheels and that.
Nasty.
Nice.
Just doing this fucking thing, you know what I mean? Getting about E55 and that.
It's definitely not.
We'll get a close up on that bad boy. We're allowed to run a max of E50. Max. We're currently sat at E57, but it's alright, we know how this works, we're not panicking. We're not panicking at all. No, don't park in the club stand, what are you doing?
Why not?
This is a club stand, bro.
You're not part of a club.
Can't park there, mate.
Oh.
Yeah.
This club stand's ours now.
Oi.
We're taking over.
Down here.
Yeah, long walk, mate.
He was off. He was off. He forgot what YouTube channel you're on. He thought you were on the Polish immigration channel. You're on the Do Not Deport channel. Eesh. Oh, let's get some Nankans, bro. Yo, listen, Nankan, sponsor us, man. Come on, get in touch.
Is that the one?
It's like AMC's, but it's not. Yeah. Who's MCing? In it? I'm in a mix up. To be fair though, if we leave the cars there, we're closer to the line. Shout out low and loud. Nasty.
You're throwing your element here.
Start raving and that. Look at him, bro. There's fucking about 6 cars in it. We're gonna get loads of time on the track today.
I've had a fucking 100 litres charged.
How was the main man became a cameraman?
Mate, be camera cuz. I ain't got no panty today. Fucking hell. What's wrong with this guy? Some bird came over to me and goes, oh, you fucking parked on our stand. You can leave cars there if you want, as long as you park them nicely. Low and loud. That's us in those X3Ms. Jet cars there. Oh, there are jet cars going on, you know. Come on. Oh, 5.1, 290. Yeah?
These are our motors, mate. This is our competition.
So I'm probably better off just leaving it here?
Yeah, just leave it there, bro.
Well, fuck it, we're part of Low and Loud, bro. Shout out Low and Loud. It's really, that one's for you, cuz. Bit of inspiration for you, mate. Oh, it's a bit naughty, that. Look at that. Oh, it's a little bit of me, this. Oi.
He loves it, cuz.
Oi. Very clean. Just because you got a fucking S3 in it, you know what I mean? Just.
What, a Jubilee clip holding your brakes still? Have you not seen it?
No.
It's a Jubilee clip holding the master.
Yeah. You gotta do what you gotta do. I really like them, they're sick them. I've drove one of them.
Have you seen a V8 one?
No, but I've drove the normal one. What have they got in a Rover engine or some shit? They're fucking sick, yeah. No EBS, no traction control, nothing.
Good camera angle, this.
What the fuck?
Explain what's happened, mate.
Mate, we've gone and fueled up. We've thrown a load of ethanol in, gone and signed up, come back, fuel's gone.
Someone took his ethanol.
Full box of ethanol.
Two
gone,
full boxes, mate.
And three empty things. I wonder if Santa Pod have moved it. What the fuck are we going to do now? Guys starting off here. Why did you just get started on?
Oh, my guy's like, who the fuck leaves boxes of fuel outside the road? Showing us.
Thanks for your help, mate. Cheers, Mosh. Like we do every single time we come here.
Literally.
Have you seen like a big box of...
A cardboard box?
Yeah.
And they've now gone in the bin, they were next to the box, you get me? So someone's picked them up, threw them in the bin and then took the cardboard box. I don't know if you man had took it or something or...
You're going to end up on the YouTube channel.
Just worth a checking it, I think. Or whether someone's charred it, you know what I mean?
It's expensive stuff, mate, and it's like...
To the floor in all the CT, got the policeman around, but they don't stop me, got the key of weed, and I'm ready to go to the music. Yes, we're going to start the show, and when those sit back, white like Al Pacino, gonna rip off the brooch like hero, say listen, pay attention.
I'm on the hunt. It's a cardboard box, probably about this big, and it just says Eco Fuels all over it.
Yeah.
If you see one, let me know. Well, these man there.
Sorry, that's me, I'll put my knob away.
These are our suspected thieves.
This man, they've fucked my runs up because I can't run my drag map now.
It's not looking good, is it?
It's not looking good, Brev. We're sat on E38 and some little nitty bastard
Might have to have a run to Santa Pod shop, man.
at Santa Pod has charred our ethanol, thinking there's some big man. Imagine being that skint that you've got to steal a fucking 60 quid's worth of fucking ethanol off the side of a fucking thing. You absolute nitties. Let's go fucking Santa Pod shop then and buy some more because we're not skint like these scruffy little cunts.
Alright, mate.
Fucking motherfuckers. Someone charred the fuel, man.
Rocking it, yeah.
Imagine being that guy. Do you sell ethanol?
You sell ethanol?
We've had 100 litres stolen. I'm not even kidding. Straight from the room what you brung bit.
What, are you joking?
Nah, be serious.
Have you told security?
Yeah, they don't know either.
Kind of know who's got it.
We have an idea, but it's one of them, innit? So now I've not got enough ethanol to run. E50. Yeah, so I'm 99, but then I mix 99 pure ethanol up to E50.
Because we normally say if you run super unleaded, MS100 is sweet.
What is that?
So
Yeah, but I need to get to E50.
we don't do pure ethanol.
You only got race fuel mixed. I don't think that's going to be any good. Shite. Do you reckon someone will have some? They'll just sell us some. Yeah. Watch them whip a cardboard box out of the boot. Ah, that's killed us.
I'll get you some.
We're on a hunt. Who? We're not asked on that really. It's more about how we get some ethanol now in the car because we can't run the car now. And B, which scruffy little bastard's got it. Because when I find them, you'll have to turn your fucking cameras off.
I can't believe you left it by the car.
We do it every flipping time, brother.
That's just
Every time.
Look at what you got around you, man.
Every time. We don't live in your world.
Because you're well out the way over there.
I know, well, that's it, innit? We've gone and signed on, come back, and we've got a suspicion. There's a bike opposite us that started, why would you leave a load of race fuel there?
Come on.
Yeah, but
What are you looking at? I went, I'm just
Why
looking
would
at.
you leave it out?
We do every
I
time.
won't even leave a bottle of water on the side, let alone...
Pushed it. Cheers, lads. Well, that's job fucked, isn't it? Shout out Santa Pod. Oh, dear me. I might as well just go get in the queue and run a fucking 11-second time and call it a day. What else can I fucking do?
Look who's here. I've heard his nan paid for that car.
In a fucking Land Rover.
Who paid for that car? Who paid for that car?
Chill out. Don't be robbing your nan today, Mush, yeah? Yeah? No, we're not going to beef him. It's one of them. He's had enough. He's had enough. Marky put him through enough trauma. We're going to allow it. I'm not saying anything, bro. I'm not saying anything. Any ethanol for sale. Someone's defo just picked it up, threw it in the car.
Get out, you've already had your experiences.
Fucking Tano, can the owner of the grey Audi S3 please move your vehicle?
This side's a little loose and it's flapping on the way up.
Was it, yeah?
Can you just tip it?
Yeah, I'll check it. Sunshine judging has just begun. This weekend, in fact. Go to Blackpool.
Fucking nitties. We're wrecking it with them. On the char. Scruffy. But we're here. We're on a 10.9 on 850.
That's not bad.
It's not bad. It's still a 10-second car in it. It's one of them. Marky, you got any ethanol?
No.
Bro,
I've
had a fucking 100 litres charged.
To be fair, I would have fucking nicked it. If I didn't have ethanol, I would have nicked it.
Bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's mad.
Bro, so now I'm sat at E38. Can't get anywhere near E50.
B&Q.
Can't run.
Manchester.
Yeah, that is a good point there. Yeah.
That's what I feel for you. It's like 15 minutes away.
Go on then. Yeah, go on then.
If they sell it in the 2 litres, it's a bit expensive, but
Fuck it. At least I can run.
I know it.
9 quid for 10 litres, 9 quid for 2 litres. It's a bit pricey, but
Yeah, let's do it. Do you want to do it? I'll give you my card. Yeah, in blue diff, yeah. It ran a 9 and then it blew, I think.
what did it run?
9 something. 9 something. Look at the tyres, man.
CRS's.
Yeah. Look cool as fuck down there.
Oh, they're thin, aren't they?
Yeah, bro, they're skinny then. Have you charred my ethanol?
You what?
Have you charred the ethanol?
The ethanol?
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
What, yeah.
Bro,
We got it in the fireplace.
you saw me. You saw me fill up. Yeah, bro. Went to sign on, come back on.
Oh, you've left the box by itself.
Yeah,
What have you done that for?
Oh.
My car was on E50. Who leaves a box of ethanol no one around? It's Santa Claus.
Me every time I come.
Full of creatures in here, mate.
Mate, we were driving David.
Well, I'm just waiting.
Like 17, 16 times. We put bets on it.
Yeah.
I thought like it's 15,
I said
16.
like-
Oh, I seen this fucking video. Yeah, is that you? Yeah.
Smoked it down there.
Yeah,
like, 12 down.
yeah.
We're like, what? Whereabouts you come from then?
Leeds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want a muff wash, shout muff wash.
Yes, my boy. Is this the ethanol, man? The ethanol, man. Come on, brother. Right, we've got some more fucking fuel. We've got some more fuel, babe, haven't we? Fiesta gang, pick up the boys, come on. This colour's nice. Listen, it is what it is. We're here now, we've got fuel, the car's locked.
Yeah, and then it's also on E70.
Max has been a lazy bastard and don't want to walk. Look at him. Bro, why you gotta be lazy and drive?
I'm off the line up.
Oh, we'll allow it. Hey, MK Performance, big up the boys. Right, we're finally in map 2. We've got the camera, we're rigged up, map 2, here we go. Running at about 950 brake, let's fucking have it all now. The problem is, we're on E50, but we've still got a full interior, we've still got a lot of stuff in the boot, so I doubt we're going to be hitting 9 seconds, but let's see what you can do. I'm expecting 10.4, 10.5.
loose build. Again.
Your undertray's still flapping.
Still flapping?
Yeah.
Right, I'll have a look again. Obviously we didn't do anything, sorry, Santa Claus. I forgot. I did kind of forget about that, I'm not gonna lie. It's one of them. 10.4, yeah? 142 mile an hour, not bad. We're running full pump now, full 950, ethanol E50 mix, everything ready to go. We've got some bookie cars around us. I'll see you on the next one.
Here he comes. The man you're all watching to see.